In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to sell products on Instagram. By the end, your Squarespace site will be linked to your Instagram account, so you're a big step closer to tagging products and driving sales from your posts and stories. Before we begin, a quick reminder for selling on Instagram. Meta requires an Instagram business or creator account, a connected Facebook page, and an approved shop. You don't have to set all that up in this video, but keep it in mind as you connect your accounts. Start on your Squarespace dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps all your site-wide connections and integrations, so making the change here applies across your website. Inside settings, open third-party tools. This section is dedicated to services that work alongside Squarespace, like social platforms and analytics. Connecting here ensures Squarespace can securely talk to Instagram without you having to paste tokens or manage anything complicated. Next, go to Connected Accounts. Think of this as your control center for social media links. From here, you can add new connections, remove old ones, and confirm everything is authenticated. Click Connect Account. A list of services appears. Choose Instagram. Selecting Instagram from this list tells Squarespace exactly which integration to set up, so you get the right permissions and features. A secure login window will pop up from Instagram or Meta. Sign into the correct Instagram profile you want tied to your business. If your Instagram is already linked to Facebook for Business, you may see a Facebook login. Use that to continue. Approve the permissions so Squarespace can read your profile and media. Granting these permissions is necessary for features like pulling your Instagram content onto your site and supporting product tagging eligibility. If you use two-factor authentication, have your code ready. Once you approve, you'll be sent back to Squarespace. You should now see Instagram listed in connected accounts with a confirmed status. If you don't, refresh the page. From here, you can manage the connection at any time, and if you ever change your Instagram password, return to this screen to re-authenticate. A couple of tips before you go. If the login window doesn't appear, disable any pop-up blockers and try again. Make sure you're signed into the right Instagram account in your browser or app. And for selling on Instagram, ensure your products in Squarespace have complete titles, prices, images, and stock. Complete data helps when your catalog syncs through Meta. That's the whole connection flow. You opened settings, went to third-party tools, selected connected accounts, chose connect account, picked Instagram, and signed in to authorize. You're now connected and ready for the commerce pieces that follow.